Hi everyone, today we'll be showing you how to check and top up your vehicle coolant using DENSO Super Long Life Coolant. Before working on the vehicle, do ensure that the vehicle is turned off and the engine is cold. There are two level indicators on the expansion tank, the low and the full. Do ensure that the coolant level is maintained full at all times. For safety reasons, when opening the expansion tank cap, use a cloth to open it to prevent any back pressure. So now let's open the cap. Top up till the coolant level reaches the full line. If there are any spillage along the side, use a cloth to wipe it up. Lastly, reinstall the cap. So you should hear a click sound once it's secured. For optimal engine performance, use DENSO coolant for reliability.